In this video, we listed the 6 best receipt scanners on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Fujitsu 9-1500. The ScanSnap 9-1500 Indonesia White is a versatile scanner designed for various media types such as receipts, ID cards, papers, photos, and business cards. It offers both Wi-Fi and USB connectivity options and boasts a resolution of 600 dpi. With a large 4.3-inch touch screen interface, this scanner allows for easy one-touch scanning without the need for a PC. It supports scanning to multiple destinations including popular cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox, desktop folders, and mobile devices. The scanner promotes collaboration with multiple users by enabling the creation of unique user profiles and saving information to user-specific folders. Equipped with ScanSnap Home, it serves as an all-in-one solution to enhance productivity for businesses, homes, or classrooms. The combination of LCD panel, Wi-Fi, and USB connections ensures easy setup and operation, making scanning a hassle-free experience. Number 2. Canon R40. The Canon imageFormula R40 Office Document Scanner is a versatile scanning device designed for handling various document types such as receipts, photos, business cards, reports, contracts, and even long documents. With a resolution of 600 dots per inch and a scanning speed of up to 40 pages per minute in both color and grayscale, this scanner offers fast and efficient digitization capabilities. It features a 60-sheet automatic feeder, allowing for continuous scanning, and supports duplex scanning for increased productivity. The scanner is equipped with USB connectivity for easy setup and compatibility with both Windows and Mac operating systems, thanks to the included Twain driver. Additionally, the bundle includes Canon Capture on Touch scanning software for convenient operation, as well as licenses for ReadIris PDF and OCR software and CardIris business card software. With a 1-year warranty and US-based technical support, the Canon imageFormula R40 is a reliable solution for streamlining document management and organization tasks. Number 3. Brother ADS 1700W. The Brother ADS 1700W is a compact document scanner designed for handling various media types such as photos, receipts, business cards, and paper documents. With a sleek design and fast scan speeds of up to 25 pages per minute, this scanner can efficiently scan single and double-sided documents up to 34 inches long with its 20-page capacity auto document feeder. Featuring a 2.8-inch color touchscreen display, the ADS 1700W offers easy navigation for one-touch scanning to preset destinations and device settings management, including multiple scan-to destinations such as file, OCR, email, network, FTP, cloud services, mobile devices, and USB flash memory drive. The scanner supports wireless connectivity for scanning to PC, cloud applications, mobile devices, and network destinations, as well as a micro USB 3.0 interface for local connections. Additionally, the ADS 1700W includes features to optimize images and text, such as automatic color detection, adjustment, image rotation, bleed-through prevention, text enhancement, and color drop, along with a software suite for document management and OCR capabilities. Number 4. Epson ES-65WR. The Epson scanner is a versatile document scanner primarily designed for receipt and business card scanning. With a compact design and Wi-Fi connectivity, it can easily export scanned data to various third-party software such as QuickBooks, Quicken, TurboTax, and Excel CSV. It comes with receipt management software that doesn't require a subscription, and it automatically extracts and categorizes key data from receipts, minimizing data entry errors. This lightweight device offers fast single-page scanning and can wirelessly scan documents to various platforms, including smartphones, tablets, the cloud, PCs, or Macs. Its features include versatile scanning for a range of documents, the ability to store images and data in chosen locations, and included software for creating, converting, editing, and assembling searchable PDFs. Additionally, it includes smart software for automatic file naming and scan object recognition. With its convenient features and compact size, the Epson scanner aims to increase productivity and streamline document management processes. Number 5. Doxie Go SE. The Doxie Go SE is a compact and portable receipt scanner by Doxie, designed to offer smart and simple scanning without the need for a computer. It allows for fast and easy scanning of documents, capable of scanning full-color pages in just 8 seconds at up to 600 dpi resolution. The scanner is small in size, similar to a rolled-up magazine, and runs on a rechargeable battery, enabling you to scan up to 400 pages per charge and store up to 8,000 pages before synchronization is needed. The Doxie app included with the scanner facilitates easy syncing of scans, direct sharing to various apps, and incorporates ABBYYOCR technology for text recognition to create searchable PDFs. Additionally, the product comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and access to comprehensive customer support. Number 6. Raven Original. The Raven Original Scanner by Raven is a versatile document scanner designed for various media types such as receipts, embossed cards, ID cards, papers, and business cards. Offering wireless, Ethernet, and USB connectivity options, this scanner enables users to scan documents directly into integrated cloud services like Raven Cloud, Dropbox, Google Drive, and more at a speed of up to 40 ppm. With a resolution of 600 dpi, the scanner ensures high-quality scans that are saved as searchable PDFs with OCR capabilities. Weighing 8 pounds and measuring 7-inch dx 11.2, wx 6.5h, it is compact yet powerful. Its 8-inch LCD touchscreen display allows for easy navigation and document editing, while the 50-sheet automatic document feeder helps in scanning stacks of documents efficiently. A notable feature is the inclusion of a free Raven Cloud subscription for unlimited secure cloud storage.